Hey racers, John Racer through you today, back for week, what is this, 4 of the Overdrive Racing League? And tonight's gonna be an exciting one because we're going in reverse direction. I've been wanting to do a reverse position race at Overdrive for the longest time because I didn't do the last league season because the season before that didn't end so well. You can roll that clip again. But I think reverse racing really suits my driving style better. And we are ranked 2nd in points right now. So the top 7 of us in this heat are all really good racers. So I'm expecting a drop week to come in here soon. My last 2 weeks have been pretty good. It's gonna be interesting trying out this reverse track with a bunch of league racers. But we're going out for our practice laps now. Nothing on the line except there is a gift card, or I guess a free entry to the grid night events if your best time and your average time has the closest margin in your group. So I've got quite the group in front of me here. Got to really learn the reverse position racing. Fingers crossed, I've still got some pace, but it's practice and positions for the race are completely randomized. So it's all gonna come down to the stick pulls, but all right, let's go ahead and get her started, shall we? Got kart 23, let's see if it's any good. See if we can avoid bouncing as much as we can. Man, we're bouncy right now. Feeling good though. I'm so bouncy. I gotta work on that corner, tiny bit. Like, oh, I think I'm going too fast maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah, that's it. I love reverse. Reverse is so much fun. It's so good. All right, feeling good for our first reverse race. Currently 3rd in practice there with an 18.7 in front of Hyde, Miller, Spiller, and Maverick. So only the 2 Overdrive champions were faster than me that race. Felt pretty good. Man, I gotta pee though. Oh, I felt really good though. Really happy with that. All right. Reverse is so damn fun. I love this direction so much. Well, we'll take that. 3rd fastest time of the night so far. 18.713 going in reverse. And I really figured out that last hairpin there. Caleb, what did you think of your practice in the reverse? This is gonna be the first time both Caleb and I race position racing in reverse, and I think it should be a pretty good race.
Respectful. I'm excited, really.
My boosted lap was my fastest lap though. All right, well that's the practice race done. I'm gonna jump into race 1, pull sticks, and may the racing gods bless us with good starting positions.
See how it goes.
Regardless, I can't wait for the racing. All right, Caleb pulled 3, 4. 4.
You get P1 again.
Oh my God. No way. Luckiest stick puller of all time.
Is that
Luck of the draw is real.
Oh my God, okay.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5.
We're gonna have the ultimate beat. If you want to pass someone, just give me a heads up and I'll
Just be like, thanks for the boost. We'll be like tapping our helmets and like, congrats on pole, I guess. Hey, good luck. Good luck. Got kart 35 starting 4th. Oh boy. Good luck, Michael. This is gonna be an interesting race. Starting 4th, Caleb in front of me again. I feel like every single race, the 3 races so far, this is race number 3, that I've raced with Caleb, He started one position in front of me. Like, what is the luck there? Anyways, this is gonna be my first league race in reverse, first position race in reverse. So I have no idea what's gonna happen here. I don't know really where the passing zones are. I just need to keep consistent lap time and then take the inside lane whenever I can, but I also got Tyler behind me, and he's the champion from the last league where there was a lot of reverse racing, so maybe we hold position, but we've got one of the best to ever do it right in front of us, so if we see him pass, then we can just follow him through. That's the goal. If we can get up onto the podium for this race, that would be good. If not, I'm okay with this week being a drop week because we have quite the competition here. And look at Hyde, pulling number 1, 4 out of the 5 stick pulls. That is a crazy statistic. I'm breathing so heavy. Let's just have a good time, shall we? There's a caution, there's a caution. Let's just try not to get spun out. Oh, I'm so excited. We know 35 is fast too. This is a good kart, but none of the karts are really slow, I think. I'm not really worried about any of the karts being slow. So yeah, let's hope the racing gods bless us with a good race. All right, we got one outlap to race to the grid, and we're gonna be scrubbing the heck out of these tires, I think. 35 feels good on the handling side. All right, I think the tires are sufficiently scrubbed now. Now we're gonna be on the outside here. It's gonna be a little funky because we're gonna be right in front of Caleb as well. Not the best starting spot, just like on the grid in general, but we'll make it work. Never started from this position. Zero experience. This will be a chaotic one. I hope you guys are ready and excited for this. We're gonna be too wide going into that first hairpin. I'm so nervous. All right, race start, let's get it. My goodness. Oh wow, that is bumper to bumper. Holy cow. Oh my god. Hyde is gone. Doesn't have to worry about it. We just have to get through this turn 1 like cleanly. Let's try that one more time. That's caution 3 on the night, by the way. I wasn't really locked in for that start. Let's lock in a little bit more this time. All right, let's do it one more time. Hopefully. My tail. Use that power. Come on. Come on, 35. Caleb, let's see what you can do here. Oh, that didn't help me. Bounced off him there. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh my goodness, that was scary. Looks like that gridlock, man. Can't really do much. Oh shit. Oh, let's go. Let's go. What the heck? What just happened? What just happened? Oh my god, what just happened? Oh my god, I've got a gap. Wait, that was insane. That was actually insane. I'm not even looking behind me. I don't even want to know. Let's go. And we've got fastest lap right now. Yes! Let's go! Oh my god! Let's go! Oh my god! Dude, that was chaos! Holy shit! I had no idea it was gridlock the first half of that race. I couldn't even do anything. That was insane. Thanks, Hyde. Oh my god, fourth, the second best lap. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's go. This thing is a monster. 35 is insane. Oh, that was so much better than I was expecting. I'm smiling from ear to ear right now. I wish you could see it. Wow. Everything just opened up, like the seas parted. That was pretty crazy. I have no idea what happened behind me, but like, I had such a good lap time there. That was crazy. That was just nuts.
Yeah, dirty dog. I was like, I'm sticking to John. I'm sticking to
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I thought you were about to spin out and we corrected.
And I was like, if I hit John, he's going to correct himself. And I'm like,
oh my God. That's good strats for next time. It's good to know. That is hilarious. I walked into this race thinking this is a drop week, but that is some insane points from me. I'm so happy with that. That was just bananas.
Proud of you.
Thank you. Was that fun to watch?
Yeah.
The cheering was amazing. I heard that. All right, well, we're gonna take that. That was an absolutely insane finish. I literally can't process what just happened there. I can't. Like, all right, well, I'm super happy with that. Going to race 2, and let's hope we pull a good stick, pull a Hyde, start first, and this should be a really good points week. So I think Hyde's gonna pull first. 5 out of the 6 races, he pulls a stick. He probably would. All right, let's pull some sticks. What'd you pull? 7? All right, Caleb pulled 7. Number 1. Hyde, which one is number 1?
that one.
This one?
Yeah, that one, yeah.
5. Imagine. Damn. It's not what I wanted. 5. Hey, I'll be pushing you this time. Yeah. Return the favor. Yeah. All right, we are starting P5 for this race. We got kart 34. And I'm going to be completely honest. I know I got so lucky in that last race. So for this one, I'm just looking to stay in line and hopefully make some passes on some of the guys in front of me. Caleb is starting behind me now. He's in 23. And then kart 28 is also behind me, and it looks like that's Michael's car. So we've got Tyler right ahead in the 25, and then the top 3, we've got Miller Spiller in first, Hyde in second, and then Casey in third. Not first place, huh?
Not this time.
Second is still pretty good, though.
Yeah, I mean, I'll take it.
Oh.
If I'm not going to get first, I'll take second.
Experience.
Alliance teaming up?
No, we're actually about to fist fight.
I want to see that too.
Why?
Get old-fashioned fisticuffs, eh?
This has been an absolutely crazy night of racing. We were the last race of the night. It is currently almost 9 p.m. It's been a good week of racing. Tires are extra grippy tonight. Hey, good luck, sir. Have fun. All right, Caleb's starting last. Be excited to see what he does from that position. Anyways, as I was saying, it's gonna be super grippy tonight. Moon is a waxing gibbous. If you know, you know. Man, reverse racing at Overdrive is just so much fun. I've only ever done forward position racing at Overdrive, so them mixing it up has really been nice. Tonight, hoping to average 200 points, but if I don't, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. And overall, my performances in these races have been quite good. So fingers crossed I can continue this performance and then have a podium starting position for the championship race in 2 weeks. That is the ultimate goal. Well, I'll come with one of those big checks, spray some champagne, but I'm not thinking about any of that right now. We just got to focus on tonight and really work our ass off to prove that we have championship speed here at Overdrive Raceway. All right, warm up lap. Let's go ahead and warm up these tires. Steering's a little bit stiff on 34, not gonna lie. We've got quite the league racer train in front of us right now. All right, tires should be warm now. We're lining up on the inside of this grid. P5, baby, P5.
Another cheater. This guy a cheater, John?
Me? I've never cheated ever. This is gonna be the money shot for both of our vlogs. All right, lights are going out. Let's do this race, let's get her done. We gotta get a move on Hyde here. I think we can do it. Oh, okay. Not the best laps for me. Choo-choo train, chugging along. Come on, Hyde. Trying to boost him at this point. Oh, this might be my chance. Nope. Defended pretty well. Oh, damn it. That was my shot. Thank you, Michael, for that boost. Come on, Tyler. Hyde got a spot. Good for him. I am wheeling this thing right now. Feeling pretty good. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh. I tried it. I tried it. I need to maximize these points this week. Damn it. Wasn't able to capitalize. Oh man, damn, uneventful, wasn't able to do anything. Oh man, well, that's not the finish we wanted. I think we might have lost fastest lap there as well. Damn, what can you do, man? What can you do? I don't know, 5th place points, way less than 200. And with the 230, like it's gonna even out. So it's like that performance I had in the last race isn't really gonna help me that much. So, oh well. You win some, you lose some, and that was just luck of the draw. Like, these guys are so fast. I knew there weren't gonna be a lot of positions being made up here. Although Tyler and Hyde did shuffle some positions in that race, so that was interesting. But yeah, Miller Spiller with the win, lucky stick pull, and we'll see how many points we get for 5th place. I think Tyler did get fastest lap though. 34, you're cooking though. Love this kart. 34 and 35, I think, were the 2 karts that I had in these races, and I'm happy with it.
All right, so started P5, finished P5. Let's go see how many points that is. All right, so that's 144 points. So if I take the 30 points from the last race that I scored over 200, that's still only 170 points for the race. So that's like 370 points for the night, which isn't my best night, unfortunately. The stick pull at the end got me, but otherwise, good racing. I enjoyed the reverse. I'm hoping reverse next week. And I guess we can only hope and pray. Fingers crossed. I'll pull the #1 stick one of these times, for sure. But it's really gonna come down to what the drop week is and who has the best weeks racing these guys. So we'll see where I start. I'm probably gonna be starting at the top of the grid if I were to assume. But there's Caleb, smile on his face.
I reversed off the start and still made a position.
Reversed off the start. Why did you reverse off the start?
Oh.
Felt like it?
No reason.
Fair enough. Can't argue with that. All right, well, thank you guys for watching this week of the Overdrive Racing League. We'll see if this is a drop week, but we got another week before the championship. Hopefully it's reverse, fingers crossed, and hope you guys enjoy the racing. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.